Pergola paint blistering because of moisture is one of the most annoying problems when you're just trying to make your outdoor space look fresh and chill. So, first off, you gotta make sure the wood is totally dry before you even think about painting. Like, if there's any dampness trapped inside, it's gonna mess with the paint big time. Next, clean the surface well. Get rid of dirt, dust, and old peeling paint. Using a good primer made for outdoor wood is clutch because it helps seal the wood and stop moisture from sneaking in. When you paint, use high-quality exterior paint that's designed to handle weather changes. That stuff lasts longer and keeps your pergola looking sharp. Don't slap on thick coats. Thin, even layers dry better and are less likely to bubble up. Also, paint during dry days with mild temperatures. Not too hot or cold, so the paint sets right. Check the underside of the pergola too. Moisture can hide there and cause problems if left untreated. Finally, keep an eye on it yearly and do touch-ups before any small issue turns into a big headache. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pergola paint blistering due to moisture is skipping the drying step before painting. If the wood isn't dry, you're just asking for bubbles and blisters. Another common problem is not using a primer. Without it, moisture can get through and wreck your paint job fast. Lastly, using cheap or interior-grade paint on an outdoor pergola is a no-go because it won't stand up to rain or sun, leading to peeling and blistering. Fix these by always letting your wood dry for at least 24 to 48 hours, applying a quality primer made for exterior wood, and investing in paint that's specifically made for outdoor use. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to outdoor projects like pergolas. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for new gigs, BigHomeProjects.com helps you connect with homeowners ready to get work done.